Have you ever started working on a diamond painting and you've really struggled to peel away the cover sheet, or you've managed to get the cover sheet off and you've placed some drills, you've put your whip aside, maybe you've rolled it up, put it aside and come back and notice that the drills have all slipped out of where they're supposed to be? In this video I'm going to talk about the glue and what could be happening and how we can improve the glue quality. So we don't have to throw away the canvas, we don't have to complain to the company and ask for our money back, although feedback to the company would be much appreciated, I'm sure. I am Mel and you're with Relax with Mel. Welcome, and if you are a new viewer, thank you, welcome, and do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos because you don't want to miss out. And yeah, I do know that 76% of my viewers are not subscribed. So what's happening? I know YouTube is pushing out our content to many new people, but yeah, I'd love to have you subscribed if you're not already. And welcome to my subscribers, welcome back. Much love and love to you, and much appreciation and love to my channel members. If you are interested in my membership, do hit the join button and find out more about it. Love to have you as a member because members are the backbone of my channel. You help me to put out the content that I do, and some behind the scenes videos sometimes, or just some updates. I have been a bit sick lately, and my family and I went away for a couple of days, which was nice. But yeah, let's get into the glue. Now you'll see I've got some washi tape on here. Cover sheets can only go one way. Some might be able to go both ways if they're really good quality, but these thinner ones tend to only have a one side that can go down onto the glue. Now this is poured glue. If I was to put the cover sheet the other way, it would stick like crazy. You would not get it off without a fight. Sorry, just had to pause and cough then. So I've got washi tape down just to indicate that this is the top. The glue, I believe, has not been cured. So I did a little bit of work, which is over here. I'm going to show you in a sec. I did about an hour's work. I placed one colour down in the lotus to the right here, and I had to roll it up because I've got a few whips on. I rolled it up and I actually put it away for just only a few hours, and that later that evening I decided to do a bit more work. But I noticed the drills had all slipped. They were migrating away from where they needed to be. Now, if I had it flat out, just out on a workbench, it may, those drills might have stayed in place, but because I'd rolled it up and put it away, which is perfectly fine, you're allowed to do that, you're allowed to roll up your whips, but always roll them so the picture is facing upwards, because if you roll it with the picture inwards, those drills are all gonna crunch in together. There's not a lot of space in between the drills, and if you, especially on a square canvas as well, there's no space, but on a round you have a little tiny minute gap, but even then rolling it inwards is going to squish those drills up. Now I put the washi tape here, so what we're going to do is pull back the cover sheet. Now you see I've done that a few times on this one. We are going to air this canvas. You'll pull it. Okay, my dogs were barking quite a bit, so I had to pause for a while there. We're going to pull the cover sheet back. I'm only going to demonstrate halfway, but you can go all the way. Leave it out in the air in a nice settled environment. You don't want there to be a lot of thoroughfare and pets, and especially hare and dango flying around, because it will settle on the canvas. Let it air for at least an hour. You might need to air it for a few hours. Give it a go and you'll find that it becomes less sticky. Like, you can hear that it has a good popping sound. It's hanging on to my finger, but it does release, so that is a good sign that the glue has cured. And then you can either put down your own release papers or put the cover sheet back. And I guarantee you are going to have a far better experience by doing that. What I think is happening is with some diamond painting companies, they are making to order and they are shipping them out the same day, and the paintings just aren't curing enough. The air isn't getting to the glue enough before they put the cover sheet on. You'll see that on this cover sheet there is some glue kind of stuck to it. Oh, a drill just came off on there. It is still, like, the cover sheet itself is still a bit tacky. I will replace that, find out where that one went, and there it was, right there, I think. And there is some glue like stuck on the inside of the cover sheet. You might not be able to see it, but I know it's there. Yeah, so this is the progress so far that I've made. I think I still need to air that bit a little bit more. I'm enjoying it. This is the Art Busy canvas, and there is a little bit of glue stuck on the drills, but it is in a much better situation than it was when I started. The drills are acrylic and they are pretty well sized, I think. Yeah, pretty good quality so far. I'm enjoying it. There's our logo. Art Busy. The beautiful cat logo. Yeah. Let me know if you've worked on an Art Busy canvas before. Have you had issues with the glue like that? I'm here to try and give as many tips as I can. I have only been diamond painting for about 13-14 months, so I'm relatively new as well, and trying out different companies, seeing which ones I like the best. And yeah, so do like if this video has added some value to you. Really appreciate that. And yeah, much love, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.